Well, on today's episode on Buy Build Thrash, we built a boat and then we crashed it. Voila. Well, we're gonna see if we pull that in out. See her, she's not looking so pretty. Little test run, that's what happened. So we're gonna see if we pull it out.
But first, the not so exciting story. Whoa! I'm just kidding. Not only did it look great, but it ran great. We did 2 prior runs. We were about to put it on the trailer, and we said those cursed words. Let's take it for one more ride. And whenever you say that, it always tries to make it your last ride.
Unfortunately, the steering and the throttle both got stuck at the same time. And we wrecked it. I might have broke something.
Here I'm showing you the broken motor mounts when it came disconnected. The shaft coupler is disconnected, the water lines, and so is the spark plugs. And everything just quickly disconnected itself. Here I'm showing where the firewall used to be. You can see the tack marks. And then you can see the seats came out and the steering wheel.
This thing has seen better days, I'd say, you know. To the round bend you go. And look at that. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh, look at that. Oh god. For this, we built a little jig. Just something to get the shaping up. Then we're gonna, you'll see in a second, but something like that, you know. We're gonna build this little slide hammer, the ghetto ass slide hammer with this. Yeah.
Scrap piece of pipe on the workbench floor, thick piece of rebar and no locker door. Welded the nut to the end of the shaft, building the tool for this river running craft. Heavy steel sleeve sliding back and forth, gonna pull this dick back, heading north, sliding that hammer, hearing that slam.
And then after hours of work, We're gonna ball. Oh yeah, she like that. That's it, pretty much done. Got the din out. Just gotta weld her up and be done. Shake cheese! Oh yeah! So that's what I did for now. I'm gonna grind her down and you won't see nothing. It looking smooth like that. Not too much. But that's what you gonna look.
It's not as cutty as me, but I think it's gonna put the fine.
Man, you can't tell if it was like a foot of oil, water, and gas in the
Damn, nice homemade slide hammer, struck it down twice. Smooth as a mirror, slick on the stream, put the mini jet back in the white water drain. Ten key moments in this video. AI overview. Got a little mini jet boat sitting in the yard. Had a rough maiden voyage, hit the water hard. Now the engine bay is greasy, full of gas and oil. Gotta get it clean and dry before the metal coil. 2-stroke mixer sloshing deep down in the floor. Wiping out the slime.
This side, same thing. Yeah, use them, but
getting ready for the world and everything is fine.
So I had to end up making a bunch of little bit shims and get away, just teeter-totter her back and forth until it came out right. And now I'm just reinforcing it on both sides.
Tails high underneath the bright summer sunshine sky. Scrape the ground, pump the wheels, make the metal shine. Getting ready for the world and everything is fine. Mini Jibble coming back, tearing up the lake. Just a little more work for the water side.
Look at look at that alignment.
And that should conclude today's episode. We got the motor mounted back up, we got the steering wheel replaced, we got the front dent out, Got the deck lid back on. If you guys stayed, I appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you don't mind. And if you did, I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.